Dogs are wonderful because they provide us with love and companionship and are always present when we need them. But did you know that dogs are much more than meets the eye? Dogs have been known as man's best friend for thousands of years, but there's a lot more to our four-legged friends that make them truly amazing. We've compiled a list of our favorite dog facts so you can get to know your pet better. Number 1. Their sense of smell is at least 40 times superior to ours. In dogs, the area of brain cells that detect different smells is approximately 40 times larger than in humans. This means that your dog can detect far more odors than we can. This is why dogs are frequently used to detect people, drugs, and even money. Several hero hounds have received PDSA medals for their noses. Buster, an arms and explosives search dog, received the PDSA Dickin Medal in 2003 for his outstanding service in Iraq, where he discovered a large number of weapons and explosives linked to an extremist group, saving the lives of many civilians and service personnel. Number 2. Some dogs have such good noses that they can detect medical problems. Yes, medical detection dogs exist. Because of their keen sense of smell, some dogs can be trained to detect medical conditions. They are used to diagnose a condition or to alert their owners if they require additional medication. Some are even being taught to detect COVID-19. Medical detection dog Pal, who received the PDSA Order of Merit, is one of these incredible dogs. Pal saved diabetic owner Claire's life by alerting her to changes in her blood sugar. These changes could have killed her if not detected in time. Number 3. Dogs can sniff and breathe at the same time. Dogs rely heavily on their sense of smell to locate food, potential dangers, and friends, so they sniff a lot. Their noses are designed to allow smells to remain in their noses while air moves in and out of their lungs at the same time, allowing them to breathe freely while still determining what that smell is. Number 4. Some dogs are fantastic swimmers. So, not all dogs enjoy the water, but those that do are usually pretty good swimmers. Newfoundlands are so good in the water that they've been used as water rescue dogs for years. Wiz, a brave Newfoundland, was awarded the PDSA Order of Merit in 2016 for saving 9 people from the sea during his career as a water rescue dog. Learn more about Wiz's incredible rescues. Number 5. Some dogs are so fast that they can outrun a cheetah. Most dogs can easily outrun humans because they are built to run and chase. The greyhound, on the other hand, is by far the fastest breed of dog. But how does this beat a cheetah, you might ask? While a cheetah can reach nearly 70 miles per hour, it can only maintain this speed for about 30 seconds. Greyhound buses, on the other hand, could easily exceed 35 miles per hour for 7 miles. So, despite the cheetah's early lead, they'd soon catch up. Number 6. Dogs do not sweat as humans do. While dogs sweat, don't expect them to have wet armpits anytime soon. Whereas humans sweat water to cool down, dogs produce a pheromone-laden oily substance that we cannot detect. Because the only place where dogs sweat like humans is on their paws, they pant to cool down. This is why it's critical to keep your dog cool on hot days to make it easier on them. Number 7. Your dog could be left or right-pawed. Several studies have been conducted on this subject, and it has been discovered that dogs, like humans, have a preferred paw to lead with. Giving your dog their favorite toy or interactive game and watching which paw they use to help them first will reveal whether they are left or right-pawed. Number 8. Their hearing, like their noses, is extremely sensitive. Dogs can hear much higher frequencies than humans, but did you know they can also hear further? Dogs, in general, can hear much softer sounds than humans, allowing them to hear things that are much further away. This is yet another characteristic that makes them excellent search and rescue dogs. While they will primarily use their nose to track, their hearing can be extremely useful. Canine Killer, who was awarded the PDSA Gold Medal for assisting in the capture of rhino poachers, is an expert at tracking using both smell and hearing. Find out more about K9. Number 9. Dogs have 18 muscles that control their ears. If you own a dog, you may have noticed that its ears move a lot. They have around 18 muscles that move their ears. These assist them in slightly changing the direction of their ears to better hear noises around them and play an important role in telling us how our dogs are feeling. Because much of a dog's body language is expressed through what their ears do, a dog's ears are critical in assisting them in communicating with both us and other dogs. Learn more about dog body language. Number 10. Dogs have the intelligence of a 2-year-old. According to studies, dogs can learn over 100 words and gestures, putting their intelligence and understanding of us on par with a 2-year-old. Dogs, on the other hand, are much easier to train than a 2-year-old. Because they are both intelligent and extremely loyal animals, they are used for a wide range of jobs, from military roles to assistance dogs. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked our video, don't forget to like and comment below. And if you want more crazy facts, subscribe and press the bell icon.